Everything you just watched, the carousel, the video, the posts, the captions, the hashtags, the whole calendar filled out, came from one sitting. Not a week, not a team, one person, one afternoon. And I didn't design a single slide. If you post regularly for a business or a brand, you already know the actual problem isn't ideas. It's the grind between having the idea and having the post. Here's what content creation actually looks like for most people. You open a design tool, you stare at a blank canvas, you go to a different tab to write the caption, you go to a third place to find hashtags, then you resize everything for Instagram, and again for LinkedIn, and again for TikTok. And you do this for every single post. So what happens? You post consistently for 2 weeks, you burn out, and then there's a 3-week gap on your feed. That inconsistency is what actually kills growth. Not bad content, missing content. The businesses that stay visible aren't necessarily more creative. They just have a system that doesn't collapse when they get busy. That's the thing I've been testing. This is Predis.ai. In one line, you type a short idea, and it builds the entire post. The visual, the caption, the hashtags, in your brand colors and fonts, and then schedules it to your platforms. Not a caption generator, not a template library. The whole post, start to finish. What made me actually want to test it properly is that it collapses 4 separate jobs into one: writing, designing, formatting per platform, and scheduling. Let me show you the full workflow with a real business. Before generating anything, set up your brand kit. This is the step people skip and then wonder why AI content looks generic. I'm using a small coffee roastery as my test business. Upload the logo, drop in the brand colors as hex codes, pick the fonts, and set the tone of voice. I'll set mine to warm and conversational, not corporate. This takes about 3 minutes once, and from that point, every single thing Predis generates comes out already on brand. That's the difference between AI content that looks like AI content and AI content that looks like it came from your brand. Now let's generate. In the Create panel, I'll type one line, a post about why single origin coffee tastes different from a blend. That's the entire input. Hit Generate. Here's what came back. The visual is designed and on brand. My colors, my fonts, my logo placement. The caption is written in the tone I set, opens with a hook, has line breaks that actually work on Instagram, rather than one solid block. And the hashtags are generated underneath, relevant to coffee and to the specific topic, not generic. My honest take? The caption needed one small tweak. It was slightly long for Instagram, so I trimmed 2 lines in the editor. Everything else I'd post as is. That's a strong result from a 9-word prompt. Carousels are the format I dreaded most because every slide has to be designed individually. It's the most tedious thing in social content. Watch this. Prompt. A 5-slide carousel explaining the coffee roasting process from green bean to finished roast. Educational tone. Generate. Under a minute later, 5 slides, consistent styling across all of them, proper text hierarchy so the headline reads first, and a logical progression from slide 1 to slide 5. The structure is genuinely good. It opens with a hook slide, 3 teaching slides, and closes on a CTA slide. That's the carousel format done correctly, and I didn't design any of it. Same input method for video. I'll type a short video showing the morning ritual of brewing pour-over coffee, calm and warm. Predis pulls from its media library, assembles the clips, adds text overlays timed to the pacing, drops in a music bed, and outputs a ready reel. Play it back, the pacing is right for short form, the text overlays are readable and appear at the right moments, and the whole thing is vertical and ready to post. For anyone who's been avoiding video because editing takes too long, this removes the excuse. Nothing here is locked. Everything generated opens in the editor as editable elements. I'll click into the headline on slide 2 and rewrite it. Swap the image on slide 4 for a photo from my own library. Nudge the layout. This matters. The AI gets you 90% of the way in seconds, and you spend 2 minutes on the last 10%, instead of 30 minutes on all of it. Quick note on why this matters beyond the novelty. The reason most small businesses lose to bigger brands on social isn't budget, it's cadence. Bigger brands post consistently because they have someone whose job it is to post. When you're running the business and doing the content, content is what gets dropped first. What a tool like this genuinely changes is the cost of showing up. When a post takes 4 minutes instead of 40, consistency stops being a discipline problem and becomes a default. That's the real benefit. Not that AI made a post, but that you didn't disappear from your feed for 3 weeks. This is where the month in one sitting claim comes from. Instead of generating one post at a time, I'll generate in bulk, a batch of posts across different topics from my content pillars. Educational posts, product posts, behind the scenes, customer stories. Now open the calendar. Every generated post gets placed on a date, and I can drag them around to balance the mix. I can see my whole month laid out, where the gaps are, whether I'm posting too much of one type. That visibility alone is worth the setup. Connect your accounts: Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, X, Pinterest, Google Business. Then schedule directly from the calendar. It posts automatically at the time you set. No reminder on your phone, no logging in at 9 a.m. to publish manually. And because Predis knows which platform each post is going to, it formats appropriately for each one, rather than posting one identical square to everything. Where it's strongest? Carousels and bulk generation. Genuinely faster than doing it manually, and the output quality holds up. The brand kit is what makes it work. Skip that setup and results will feel generic. Where you still need to show up? The strategy is yours. Predis executes ideas brilliantly, but it doesn't know your customers or what you're actually trying to say this month. Treat it as the production layer, not the thinking layer, and it's a serious time saver. Worth knowing, generations use credits, so plan your batches rather than regenerating endlessly for a small tweak. The editor is faster for small fixes anyway. If your content workflow is currently 4 tabs and a lot of willpower, this is worth an afternoon of your time to test properly. Set up your brand kit, generate a week, and see how it feels to have your calendar filled before Monday. The link to Predis.ai is in the description. It's free to start, so you can run the whole workflow I just showed you without committing to anything. Drop a comment telling me what business you'd set it up for first. And if you try it, come back and tell me what your batch looked like. Subscribe for more tools that actually save creators time. See you in the next one.